YouTube, how are you guys? My name is Ali Husseinov. I'm from Azerbaijan. I'm the student of Dublin Institution of Technology. I'm studying the second year in the computer science. I'm gonna show you my assignment 3 for the object-oriented programming subject. So actually, first of all, I'm gonna say my time is limited. I have just only 10 minutes to explain all the code. So my code is a little bit big. So I'm gonna go through just overview for my code. I cannot explain you each side, each part step by step. So let's start. We're gonna press start from here. Okay, it's opened. Okay, you see here's the process is working. So so first of all, the form, you cannot move the form because it is centered. Okay, we have to go through our username and passwords. Okay, Ali and my username and password. I have given the alias, star alias to the password. Okay, go ahead to login. For example, if you haven't registered yet, register here. This is the link for registration. For example, if you press this one, registration info, um the name, password, and confirm password, you have to do this one like this way. Okay, already remember. Okay, login. Let's go login page. As I said it before, Ali, and my password. Okay, so you have successful login. Great. The welcome Ali. Now in this form, this text gets the info from the login page and write it down here. Okay, we have four projects here: media player, blackjack game, a web browser, and PDF reader. Okay, let's go through from the first one. Media player. Let's press this one, media player. Um, this is the media player. So how we can use it? We have to add music piece. Here you can add multiple files as well. I have written code for this one, but unfortunately I have only one video to show you, one music to show you right now. Okay, I'm gonna choose this music then. Okay, open. Okay, when you press over this music, it's playing. I don't know do you hear it or not, but when you use it, you'll see that it's working. Okay, let's pause it. This button is just for deleting this your music list. For example, if you press this button, it deletes all the music. But if you press again, it's playing because this music is already in the CPU of this project. That's why it's working. So we have to press this button to quit the music player. Okay, let's go blackjack. Okay, great. And here the same. It gets my name. Also here my name scores. Um, I'm gonna explain you this one how it's working. So for example, if you press take cards for your cards, it's gonna first of all it's gonna open just two cards. First card and the second card. 4 and Joker 1. Joker is 1 mark. Okay, total is 5 mark. It is not big enough. I'm gonna open another one. Okay, it is 7. It's not big enough as well. I'm gonna open the last one. Great. 11. It's not big enough, but let's see. There was the PC cards will open. PC has already chosen his cards, and he's gonna just open 3 cards, 3 or 4 or 2 cards. Just PC knows how to open the cards. So let's open the cards for PC. Great. 13, 5, 3, and 3, 2. 3, 2, 6, 8, 5, and 13. The total is 13, and it is uh, total sure that PC will win. Okay, see the result. Your PC got 10 marks. Okay, restart. When you press restart, all the marks is going to 0, but your marks is coming to the same. It's going to be the same. Okay, take cards again. 11 and 15. Okay, 18, 16. We win. All right, 10, 10. Uh, who reached to the mark 50? and he wins. You or PC? Okay, I think this is enough for blackjack. Let's close it. Okay, go to web browser. Web browser is opening the web browser, and here's the link for the web page. I don't know what's happening to Google, what he wants from me. Anyway, I'm gonna open the YouTube, youtube.com. Okay, so we have to press this loop to go to YouTube page. Great, it's opened the YouTube page. Anyway, so and you see status and done, status done, and also this the progress bar when they finish the work, and progress bar is working. Right, go ahead to home. In the home there's some default pages: Google, DIT, my university, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and blah blah blah. And the back for fresh stuff, and you can see the page source as well. Right, okay, let's close it. The PDF reader. This is not PDF creator. This is a PDF reader. I'm gonna create PDF reader in the another version of my code. So choose file. Unfortunately, I don't have PDF file, so I'm not gonna choose anything while it is working. So all the PDF formats is working here. Also, here's the link for the path for your PDF file. Okay, this the overall for my project. So this the time showing 20th of April 2016, and this is the hour for the time. Okay, when you press this button, it's just close the all the applications, so it's not gonna take it's not working, on your CPU, so you don't need to close like this way, for example. Um, you don't need to close like this way. That's closing already. So let me show you my code a little bit. Quickly, just the form one design. For example, if you don't what is this? If you don't understand anything from the code, you can see just from design. You can get the names. For example, the text box names, text box 1, text box 2, and bottom picture box, and other stuff. And also let me show you the code how it's working. Let me show you the code how it's working. Form1.cs, and this is the hide the forum for hiding the form. I have just I have given a comment to each code you can understand easily. So as I said you before, I cannot explain all this stuff step by step properly. So this is the how it's working. I haven't included the database here because of I have published this one. So uh, for database I have to add servers. So unfortunately I don't have servers right now to use it. So that's why I do it with the files. Here's just creating files as the files. It's the same in the Java, in C, in in many programming languages. So here's a username textbox1 equals textbox1, password textbox2, and checks user login credentials. um, if yes, success message. You have successfully logged in and success, as we said before. So open main form. It's open the main form like this way, and it sends the information, my name today. As you see the welcome Ali, it says my name here. This is the hide video. Sorry, hide the login form, and opens the main form. So main form as you see it. So main form this one, as you see this one. Right, and this is the label. You don't see here. It's hidden label. I hidden it. So in the error message, wrong credential. But try again. If the user doesn't exist in the catch option, again it gives the message user doesn't exist and error, and you have to press OK as before. Okay, right. This is the button. So this button, plus application and open the new form as well. Okay, let's go ahead for the blackjack. Okay, this is the code for blackjack. It's too big code and too complicated algorithms here. I have everything here, so it's gonna take a real long time. I'm gonna explain you each side step by step. So this is the overall code. Um, so I'm gonna give you just overview how it's working. So here's the labels, just four labels. When you press the take cards, take cards is just playing 3 times. So here's the I have initialized the counter, a counter for PC. This counter for player. Let me show you how it's working. For example, let's press take cards. Okay, counter press. If the counter is equal 1, card 1 and card 2 takes the random variable from 1 between 11 and a card 2 as well. Here writes just it writes the variable to the label text and converts to string, because text input cannot take the int value. Right. Total players equal card 1 and card plus 2, because the card 1 and card 2 is this int variable I have initialized in the top. Um, Counter 2, if the counter 2 is open the third card, and the counter 3 is open the fourth card. Right, this is therefore changing the images. For example, if the label 5 text equal 1, it's open the joker, as you see it in the demo, for like this way. Okay, let me explain you how the PC working. PC is the most complicated part. The PC is working like this way. PC is just only the take cards for PC is just only working one time, and the PC cards open like this way, and write this one total PC and PC card and PC card 2 as before. Here, if the total PC is smaller than, sorry, my battery is going low, the 16, lower than 16, it opens the another one. It's again lower than 16, it's open the card 4. Right, like this way. So sorry I couldn't explain you well, because of my time limited. The music player, I'm gonna show you music player with the design and how music player is working in the design. Music player is the Xbox 2, Xbox 2 and Xbox 1. Xbox 2 is taking all the names from, sorry, Xbox 2 I guess all the URL for the name for the music. Xbox 1 just takes the names. For example, how's working, if you press just name, it gives information to the Xbox to the URLs, and the play and the play button, it goes to calls that the music from the URL and it plays. Now this is the delete for the list, and this is the application end. Alright, the last one for web browser. The web browser, our browser is totally enough, so I don't think so. I need to explain you, because it is, if you will look through the code, everything is, I have given the comments for this one, the navigation for the web browser, the web browser stuff, web browser fresh, and some stuff like this way. Okay, in the last one, so I'm gonna show you the PDF. The PDF is the easiest part, so you have to add you have to add, let me see the word in my toolbox. All right, great. Now toolbox, you have to choose, let's see, the any design, for example, for the, if you want to add if you want to create the PDF file, you have to find the PDF Adobe PDF reader. If you don't have, um, I think, I'm sure that you're not gonna have the PDF. You have to download from like this way, and press choose item, and it's open like this way. You have to go components. You're gonna choose from here as well. So you have to click this one, and okay, it's gonna choose. Okay, this is the all parts that I did. So thank you for watching. I think that you're gonna have enjoy with this project. Thank you guys so much, and this is the end of my project. I think that it will be really good for your study for the object oriented programming. Thank you for watching.